Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a debit card on the DoorDash app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove your debit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Afterwards, click on settings on the top hand side. Then on this page here, scroll down and then click on payment underneath account settings. So here you're going to see some saved payment methods. So in order to remove one of these payment methods, just click on one of the saved payment methods, and then you want to go ahead and click on it again. So once you're on this page here, you're going to see a list of your saved payment methods. Now initially I thought that you can just click on the saved payment method and it'll allow you to actually go ahead and remove it. But what you need to instead do in order to remove a debit card is actually swipe left and then click on delete. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove a debit card on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.